the places we don't know. The voice echoes soft and wide, like the ocean's endless tide. Every pulse a healing wave, freeing minds we thought enslaved. In the stillness find the sound, where the truest self is found. No more rushing, no more fear, only presence living here. Babylon noise fades to gray as the dub begins to play. Simple truth within the tone. You are never alone. Breathe in slow with every beat, feel the earth beneath your feet. Roots extend through space and time, in a universal rhyme. Jah voice without a word, still in every note is heard, guiding gently through the night to a place of endless light. Let the echo cleanse the mind, leave the heavy past behind. In the rhythm we are free, just like wind across the sea. No more chains to hold you tight, only love and only light. The meditation take control, heal the body, heal the soul. When you open up your eyes, see the world without disguise. Everything is clear and true, life is flowing through you. Sacred base will always stay, even when it fades away. Roots and up forever blessed, beginning without an end. softly to the youth. Taste now, open ancient door, like we never knew before. Every drop of sound so wise, reflect deep within the eyes. Babylon tried to steal the flame, but we never play that game. Roots connection hold us tight, guided by eternal light. Through the echo we can see what we were and what we be. Past and future intertwined in the rhythm so divine. No illusion can remain when we break the mental chain. Pure vibration fill the soul, making broken pieces whole. Ba 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 ba. John name in every breath, stronger far than fear or death. Chanted low and chanted high, let the truth forever fly. Speak a pulse like heartbeats strong, carrying the rebel song. From the gate to every land, truth is written in the sand. Even when the sound grows dim, still the fire burns within. Zion Gate is always near for the ones who truly hear. Echoes never fade away, they just guide another way. Roots stand up forever true, living deep inside of you. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Ba, 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 ba. Walking through the desert sand, guided by an unseen hand. This light echoed through the night, leading souls toward the light. Every step a story told of the brave and of the bold. Noble winds across the land, writing truth we understand. parts of history to a new reality. Roots connection holds us tight, even in the longest night. Jah Jah guide the chosen few on a path forever true. No more lies to cloud the sight. We can see within the light. The vibration cleans the soul, make the broken spirit whole. In the silence, truth is loud, standing strong among the crowd. Freedom lives within the thought. Oh, you were never on your own. When the journey reached the end, we begin again, my friend. Baseline, Exodus, remix. Oh, flowing through the giant pain, from the sand to fertile ground. Life reborn within the sound. Roots will grow eternally in the heart of you and me. Floating on a cosmic wave, past the limits we once gave. Baseline travel through the stars, healing all invisible scars. Dubwise echoes spin around in a never-ending sound. Universe begin to breathe as we learn to just release. Frequency align the soul, making shattered pieces whole. ancestral echo.
The ancestral echo.
The ancestral speak to the doublet spin. This your ancestral door, make we always win. Jah wisdom echo from the root to the crown. Roots reggae rise, turn the world around. No more forget the past, the elders are guide. Babylon the race is try, but we not abide. Herb connect with to the lineage strong. Rasta memory lips sing the freedom song.
Ancestral echo. Ancestral echo.
Make the past alive, make the future bright. No more lost identity, claim the birthright.
One blood, one root in the pure light. Ancestral echo.
Oh, and are the forefathers and are the mothers too. Live the tradition, make it new for you. Pass the torch of knowledge, never let it fade. In this your liberty, we are the upgrade. Yes, we select to make the rhythm echo, echo. Make the sound travel back through time we keep. Ganja are the bridge to the spirit realm. Rasta man a call, ancestors at the helm. Echo on, echo on. I returns.
Ancestral echo. Ancestral echo.
Make the past alive, make the future bright. No more lost identity, claim the birthright.
One blood, one root in the pure light. Ancestral echo.
Ta, ta. Jah, Rastafari.
Ancestral.
One love, one lineage, forever. We rock and stand through the hurricane blow. This year stand strong though. Let the whole world know. Jah foundation first. Never shake or sway. Roots reggae anchor. Show we the way.
When the wind a howl and the flood arise, Babylon skin colors before we eyes. Herb a root we deep, make we trunk stay thick. Rasta spirit solid, no more fragile brick. Stand strong though.
Let the lion chest swell, the backbone straight. No more bow the head to the system. Hey. solid stand still, the righteous faith stands strong though. Truth, no sunfish if belief it tip, make the soul uplift, teach the youth fi hold when the pressure pays. In a this ya reggae sound we pass the bass. Yeah, yes me selector make the rhythm a stand like stone, make the echo thunder reach the youth them alone. Ganja fortify the will, keep it all and true. Rasta man a roast and strong, me brethren break through. Inside the temple made of sound, where no walls can hold it down. Bassline hum like sacred chant. Life is more than what we want. Every echo in the space, with a slow and timeless grace. Dub-wise whispers calm and deep, wake the soul from restless sleep. Footsteps fade into the groove, every motion starts to move. There is more than meets the eye, truth no system can deny. Babylon dissolve away when the righteous start to play. In the temple we are free, boundless as eternity. money. Ooh, la la la. Oh, when you leave this sacred place, still you carry inner grace. Temple lives within your mind, always present, always kind. Roots and earth forever stay, even when they fade away. In the silence you will find peace that lives inside. Beyond all time. Oh, da, 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 da. Rebel sound begin to rise, breaking through the silent skies. Bassline thunder rolls so deep, wake the ones who still asleep. Dubwise echo twist and turn, in the fire we all must learn. beyond all time. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na. Signal rise from the underground, ancient pulse within the sound. Baseline traveled far and wide, like a truth we cannot hide. Through the wires and through the air, Jaja presence everywhere. Dub wise echo bending time, speaking truth without a rhyme. From the side to satellite, we transmit the righteous light. No corruption in the code, only truth within the law. Babylon try block the way, but the signal always play. Through the static, through the noise, we uplift the humble voice. Artists sing with every drop, feel the system never stop. Roots vibration in the chest, put the weary soul to rest. Echo bounce from wall to wall, answering the ancient call. In the rhythm we align, body, spirit, soul and mind. No illusion can remain when we break the mental chain. Dub transmission clear and strong, carried in our ever song. Lion spirit never fade, even in the darkest shade. Truth is louder than the lies, shining bright before our eyes. When the final tone decay, still the message find a way. Root signaled forever set, beginning without an end. Jaja guide the frequency, tuning us to unity. In the echo we receive,